Transformers have a memory problem. Their attention window is fixed, and it gets quadratically expensive as context grows. Atlas, from Google Research, takes a different route. It gives a model a high-capacity long-term memory that literally learns what to remember at test time. In this video, why long context is hard, what Atlas is, how it memorizes, its architecture, how it beats Titans, the benchmarks, and when to reach for it. There are two classic options, and both hurt. Transformers use attention, which is accurate but scales quadratically, so a fixed window is all you can afford. Linear recurrent models, like Mamba, are cheap and run in constant memory, but they squeeze the whole past into a small fixed state and lose detail over very long sequences. Neither can cheaply hold millions of tokens without either blowing up or forgetting. Memory is the real bottleneck. Atlas stands for learning to optimally memorize the context at test time. It is a high-capacity long-term memory module that a model updates as it reads, learning what to store on the fly. It belongs to a new family Google calls DeepTransformers, which strictly generalize the ordinary transformer, and it is the successor to Titans. The backbone stays fixed, while this internal memory keeps optimizing itself during the forward pass. Here is the loop that runs at inference time. Atlas reads a sliding window of recent tokens, not just the single latest one. It checks how well its current memory already predicts them, and where it is wrong. Using that signal, it updates the memory to best fit the whole window, an idea the paper calls the Omega rule. Then it reads the refreshed memory back out to help predict the next token. Repeat, token after token. Inside, three pieces make Atlas powerful. First, incoming keys and queries pass through a polynomial feature map, which sharply increases how much the memory can hold, approximating full softmax attention. Second, the memory itself is a deep module, several layers, not a single matrix, so it stores richer associations. Third, the update uses the muon optimizer, which approximates second-order curvature yet still runs as parallel matrix multiplies across the sequence. How is this better than Titans? Titans was online. It updated its memory one token at a time, using a first-order surprise signal. Atlas optimizes memory over an entire context window at once, with the Omega rule, so the update is context-aware instead of short-sighted. It adds polynomial features for capacity and the muon optimizer for locally optimal, second-order updates. It is, the authors note, the first parallelizable recurrent architecture with a locally optimal memory. Put the family side by side. A plain transformer has near-perfect recall but a fixed, quadratic window. Linear recurrent models are efficient, but compress the past lossily. Titans added a neural long-term memory updated per token. Atlas keeps that long-term memory but updates it over a window, with deeper capacity and second-order optimization. Each row trades a little simplicity for far better behavior at extreme context lengths. And the payoff is dramatic. On Babylon, a benchmark that hides facts inside enormous distractor text, Atlas holds up to a 10 million token context and scores over 80% accuracy, right where Titans and Transformers fall apart. Across language modeling, common sense reasoning, and recall-intensive tasks, it beats both Transformers and recent linear recurrent models. The longer the context, the bigger its lead. Why is this practical and not just clever? The muon update leans on matrix multiplication, so it parallelizes across the sequence instead of forcing a slow token-by-token recurrence. Memory cost stays bounded because the module has a fixed size, no matter how long the input. And the polynomial feature map buys extra capacity without a huge parameter bill. You get second-order quality at close to first-order cost. Where does test-time memory shine? Anywhere the context is huge and detail matters. Reasoning over whole books or code repositories, long multi-session agents that must remember earlier turns, retrieval-heavy question answering across millions of tokens, and streaming settings where new information never stops arriving. If your task keeps overflowing a fixed attention window, an optimizable long-term memory is exactly the tool. When should you reach for it? If you need extreme context, 10 million tokens and beyond, or a model that keeps learning from the stream as it runs, Atlas is compelling. Think twice, though, If your task fits comfortably inside a normal context window, a standard transformer is simpler and battle-tested. It is also very new research, so mature tooling and production libraries are still thin on the ground. Quick recap. Transformers scale badly and linear models forget. Memory is the bottleneck. Atlas gives a model a high-capacity, long-term memory that learns at test time. It updates that memory over a window with the omega rule, adds polynomial features for capacity, and uses the muon optimizer for second-order, parallel updates. The result beats Titans and holds over 80% accuracy at 10 million tokens. That is Atlas. Don't just attend to the context, learn to remember it. A fixed backbone plus a memory that optimizes itself is a genuinely new way to reach very long context. Did this make Atlas click? Follow for plain English Gen AI breakdowns.